Hello, this is the final project assembly line. What you see here in front of you is each one of these red lights is a processing station. And then these two lights here represent the assembly station. So when the yellow one is lit up, the first subassembly is there, and then when the green is also lit up, both subassemblies are there. And then once that goes, then it will go over here to the warehouse, where this blue LED is. So for this first processing station, this is the laser etch. The input is a user input. The light will blink 5 times, and then the green light over here will turn on to resemble that the subassembly is ready to move on to the next station. Station number 2 is sanding, which is the motor. The input is the photoresistor, and then it is just a little completing the circuit to the LED, and the photoresistor will pick that up. The fan will run for 5 seconds. Once that is complete, the green light will turn on, saying that it's ready to move on to the next process. Process number 3 is test. So the input is the pressure sensor. Once enough pressure is put on there, it'll continue, and the buzzer will do 5 different tones. And then once that is complete, this green light will turn on, saying that it's ready to move on to assembly. And then it'll automatically go to assembly, and if it's the first subassembly, the yellow light will go on again, and then if it's the second, the green light will also come on. And then at the end, I will show you on my screen all of the things that have printed on the serial monitor, as well as the warehouse keeping track of the inventory that goes in there. So here we go. So let me go in here, and then I will begin. So user input. So 1, 2. Okay, that's the first process. Okay, green light comes on. And each time, I didn't say this before, each time that a process starts, that red light will turn off. And then it'll turn back on once the next process starts. So let me go ahead and turn on my light here. Okay, and now you can hear the fan for 5 seconds, green light. So now this is ready to go on to the next process, pressure sensor. Okay, there you go. And so now the yellow light's on, so the first subassembly is now in assembly, and now it's awaiting the second subassembly to get there before it can move it to the warehouse. So now I will do another user input. Okay, and then just going to repeat the whole process. Okay, pressure sensor again. Okay, and now right here, and then so they're being assembled. Then it's going to go to the warehouse. Okay, and now we'll do it again, just real quick. I'll go ahead and plug this in, that way it automatically goes. I'll go ahead and hold this, that way it automatically goes. I just want to get to where I can show you the inventory count. I'm sorry this is so long. Okay, and so we're going to go over here. Now all of this is just going through each of the processes. So subassembly 1 is going through, process 1, process 2, process 3. Then it goes into assembly, subassembly 2, same thing. And then here's the inventory count here for 1, and then after the second one, it was 2, and then it'll continue to go until either you reset the board or whatever. All right, that's it. Thank you.